Hey, my name's Josh. I'm one of the educators here at Stahls TV. You're getting ready to watch some great content from one of our presenters, Jenna. If you like what you see, well then like the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay updated on fresh, relevant content like this to help you grow your business.
There are a variety of different face coverings that you can be decorating for your customers. Neck and face gaiters should definitely be near the top of the list, and Pennant Sportswear has recently launched a 100% polyester gaiter that is light and breathable for the neck and face area. And they're super easy to decorate with just a heat press. Let me show you how. For the first decoration, we're going to heat print. We're going to use CAD Cut Premium Plus. It applies at a nice low temperature of 280 degrees, which allows us to heat apply this 100% polyester fabric without risking any scorching at all. And it has a dwell time of just 12 seconds. This product is a warm peel, so I can just go ahead and peel this back. And this product is really known for its stretchability. So while this is being stretched to form fit the wearer, we're not going to risk any tearing or breaking of the heat transfer vinyl that's just been heat applied. There are a variety of different print locations that you can achieve with gaiters. However, you want to be aware of where the seam structure is. When this is being worn, the seam is on the back side of the head. So we have our seam structure off to the right-hand side, and we're going to print on the left-hand side to ensure that our print area can be seen while it's worn. The product we're heat applying is a digital heat transfer vinyl known as Soft Opaque. It is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and remove that carrier as soon as it's complete. And if you're looking for full color digital solutions for your customers' design or logos, Soft Opaque is a great solution. Another great print solution for the gaiters is screen print transfers, and we're going to be using a water-based screen print ink known as AquaTrue. It's a great lightweight product that feels amazing on 100% polyester, and we're going with a larger design, so we want to do a unique wraparound print and cover more area of the gaiter so that we can increase our profit opportunity. This is another hot peel product, so we can go ahead and remove that carrier. And you can see the true opacity that it has even on a dyed polyester. And because these are 100% polyester, they can also be sublimated with Stahls sublimation patterns. So for this, I've trimmed up my pattern sublimation sheet to go seam to seam. And I'm just allowing it to overlap on the edges so that it completes the ink transfer completely on one side. So we're just going to lock this down and heat apply for 385 degrees for 40 seconds. I can go ahead and remove that sublimation paper. You can see that that's completely transferred with a nice vibrant finish. Now we're going to flip this over and apply the other side so that we have a completely covered pattern. We're going to do some mix and matching with this one. So we did stripes on one side, and now we're going to do stars on the other. We'll repeat that same step. And now our sublimated face and neck gaiter is complete. To get started custom printing neck and face gaiters, visit pennantsportswear.com. And for more information on Stahls custom logos and transfers, visit our website at stahls.com.